Welcome to chemistry class. So the question here is, which functional groups are present in the given following compound? As you can see the structure here, what you have to do is to find out the functional group present in the given following compound. I'm giving you 30 seconds for that. Fine. Now, I hope you might have got the functional group present here. Now, I'm going to tell the functional group present in the given following compound. First is alcohol. Second is amine. And the third is carboxylic acid. Okay, so what are the functional group present here? Alcohol. Second is amine. And the third functional group is carboxylic acid. Okay. So visit chemistry class, like, share, subscribe the channel.